Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ford Bronco. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental proportions. Imagine a simple rectangular box as the base for the main body. Divide this box into 3 roughly equal sections to define the hood, cabin, and rear cargo area. Next, sketch a light horizontal line to represent the ground plane. This initial step is crucial for ensuring your Bronco has a balanced and realistic stance. Now, let's refine the body's contours. Gently round the corners of your initial box to give it a more organic feel. Focus on the iconic front grille, which is often a prominent feature, and sketch the circular headlight shapes. Next, define the windshield and side windows, paying attention to their angles. Don't forget to add the distinctive, robust fender flares that give the Bronco its rugged look. Moving on, let's tackle the wheels and undercarriage. Draw 4 perfectly circular shapes for the wheels, ensuring they align well within the fender flares. Inside each wheel, add a smaller circle to represent the rim. Then, sketch some simple lines to suggest the rugged tire treads, adding depth and realism. Finally, lightly indicate the undercarriage and suspension components, giving your Bronco a grounded and sturdy appearance. For our final slide, we'll add the finishing touches. Carefully draw the door lines, handles, and side mirrors to complete the bodywork. Don't forget the iconic spare tire often mounted on the rear. Now, apply some light shading to various areas, like under the fenders and along the body panels, to create a sense of depth and 3-dimensional form. Finally, gently erase any remaining construction lines to reveal your completed Ford Bronco drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.